Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to create a blog on Hostinger. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged into your H panel, I want you to just come here on the left hand panel, click on websites, and then here you can click on add website. It'll ask you to use any of these options. You can use the Hostinger website builder or Hostinger Horizon as well. I'll click on Hostinger website builder and it will go ahead and redirect me to this page. Now this is the AI builder. You can use a prompt as well to explain what you want to build. So here you can say start a blog, and you can describe it further as well, what kind of blog name you want, what the blog is about, the format of the blog right here, and what pages you want exactly, and your style. And then you just go ahead and feed in this prompt, and in just a few seconds it'll actually create your blog, and it's fully editable. All the different elements you can go ahead and edit. And here is our blog. Of course, you can change anything here. You can edit the idea. You can click here on continue. And now you can change the elements, pages. You can use AI tools. Or you can just come here at the top right. If you're happy with it, click on go live. And then the website will be published. It's really that easy. And that is how to create a blog on Hostinger. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.